Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Microsoft Store error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type WS Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps and Features. Type Store, click 3 dots, click Advanced Opt-ins. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fifth method is right-click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.